Hi ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, I welcome you, as well as if you are a returning member, you're welcome as well. Today I want to basically show you how we clean the dirt at the base of our tank. So if you are the type that's using tanks for raising your catfish, maybe from hatchery or from juvenile or whatever, this same method is what you are going to, and that is what I'm going to show you. Make sure you follow this video to the very end, watch it, and if you are having any difficulties understanding what we did, feel free to make use of the comment section below this video, as well as you can view some of the other videos I've already uploaded, because I upload as at when due. At the moment I do not have any schedule, so I upload as soon as I think is important for you to understand what you are passing through or what you are going through, so that you learn. And just like in Nigeria, if you want to apply for a new job, they first ask you, do you have working experience? And what I'm trying to show you is more or less like you having experience before you start your own, or peradventure you have already started your own. This method of what I share on my channel will enable you have more and broad knowledge about the rearing of catfish. Just feel free, subscribe to my channel please. If you don't subscribe to my channel, in your dream you'll see tilapia every day until you subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Okay, let's go there. So we are making use of the bowl, and inside the bowl you have salt. The essence of the salt is to sterilize the bowl, right?
Yes, and to clean all these pipes.
Okay, so we're going to make use of this pipe as well as hose, and the essence of the hose and the sieve. Do we have any other thing?
Net.
We also have net.
I'll do another basket.
And like a basket to sieve as well. So these are the ingredients we're going to need for the sorting process. Just follow as we do it. Okay. We are trying to wash it off
Because of germs.
saline water because of germs. Or you can see how we are doing it. We are trying to wash it with saline water. Salt and water is actually what we call saline water. It's trying to blow air and also to suck, and the essence of that is just to ensure the hose is dirt free and also germ free. That is the essence. Okay, so discard this away. And if you don't want to discard it, you can drink it. I'm only kidding, don't drink it, it's dirty. Go. Okay, can you see how we are inserting it? So the essence of this green pipe is just to make this hose controllable. Otherwise you will, yeah, exactly, it will not be controllable. So it's going to suck it a bit, and there we go. Can you see? Sucking again, and the water is coming gradually. The water is coming gradually. And what we are doing in essence is to suck the dirt from the bottom of the tank. Can you see? It's trying to suck off the dirt. Meanwhile, some little fishes will follow the dirt, but we are going to separate them later. Take a look at this water. Can you see how dirty it is? Very, very dirty. And also, just like I told you, some fishes, they are here right now. So, but at the long run, we are going to do the sorting. We're going to remove the fish from the bait. I hope you understand. So just follow. This video is going to be a bit long, but you will not find yourself bored, because everything you are going to be seeing here is something you haven't seen anywhere else on YouTube, and that is why I'm showing you this approach on cups. My baby, say hi to my viewers. Hi. You see, she's so cute, just like me.
I'll block it now.
Okay, so he has blocked it. Can you see? Then it's transferring to the next tank. It's transferring to the next tank. The same method is what we are going to apply. We're going to first soak it so that the dirt. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of it, and I hope you derive value. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye for now. Stay safe.